All right. So I wanted to come back and bring what I think is an idea that you cannot miss out. And today I want to talk to you, now Friday, couple hours, 4.5 hours before the closing bell. I want to talk about plug. So it's time for you to plug your power, and we need to ride this opportunity. Again, another idea coming from a very important member of my team, Senpai Alan. Greetings to you. Kudos, Senpai. What a great idea we have. What is this idea for the first week? That's the first expiration in December. 50 call, December 3. Pay no more than $1. Pay no more than $1. As usual, you just write it down. No more than $1 for this contract. So I want to make sure. Anna, thank you for your contributions to this team as well. She's going to make sure that we get this video on time. Now, let's take a look at the facts. What's happening? Let's take a look at the chart weekly. Let me just set up my roadkill. Let's switch this to 1 month. Could be 2 months. I think 1 month on the weekly works. Let's take a look at 2 months. There you go. It's gone. It's a better entry. I think with a 1 month, Randy mentioned it's good enough on the weekly chart. And there you go. We have a massive entry that started at $27. We are riding this trend up. Let's take a look what happened from that point. That entry gives you 65%. Now, let me ask you something. How is your portfolio doing? Are you missing out these opportunities? Because if you are, let me deliver a solution. This is what we need. This is why you need. You need Hawkeye tools. You need them. Let's throw, oh my God, right there. There you go. Look at that beautiful entry. Turn green. That's your entry. Now, look at this because I want to show you exactly when things are real or not. So volume, roadkill, green on the Hawkeye trend plus stops. But you know what? Dark red. That it's about to switch. So either you enter at this pullback or you enter in this candle. Either way, this trade following using the tools delivers a 34%. Now, if you're more aggressive, of course, you take home the 65 because you still have some guidance with the trend. And roadkill tells you with the volume, hey, it's time to jump. A little bit more risk, but still you have the trade. When you have the tools, you have the opportunity. So look at what is happening today. We'll look at the weekly. Price was all the way down at $39.60. Reversed. This is red to green. Let me write it for you. Red to green. This is money. Buyers stepped in. Buyers are coming in. Buyers want this away from the 39 level. So you want to buy this one. So plug your power. It's time for you to do it. It's time. Look at what it's doing today. 15 million shares. Average volume, 22 million shares. Where are we? Remember, this is the contract. 50 call. First weekly expiration in December. You cannot miss this one out. And please pay no more than $1 for the contracts. All right? Delta 23. Now let's take a look at what may happen, may not happen in a continuation of the trend. This is just the beginning for this one. I will just be a little bit conservative just to give you an idea on the rotation. This is really the rotation in this area. It's not that big, but that doesn't matter. That's a 27% range. We have breakout 27 will take us at about $50.93. I repeat, $54.93, and that's just my conservative target. Now, if I were to say, hey, can this happen? Look, 1, 2, 3. In 3 weeks, we have $9 up. If we have the breakout, which we have right now in this point in time, following the trend, absolutely. Can we add another $9? Let's take a look if we can have another $9. That will take us to 52.51. And I'm asking you to take a look, potentially, to double your money in the next 2 weeks, the 50 call. And look at what the evidence, the chart in front of us is telling everyone. It's telling us to buy. Red to green on the weekly candle, that's a powerful sign. Remember, everything you can do, look at everything you can do when you have the tools. Of course. And you want to be subscribed to this channel. You want to receive our editorials. Thank you, Oscar, for all your efforts as well. And you want to pay attention to the tools because you're just a product of the tools you're using. Like who you are. You're a product of the 5 closest friends you have. There you go. It's the same with the tools. You want to be a better trader? You want to make the big money? You want to take $10,000 in a day like Randy Lindsay? Or you want to be like maverick trader Anthony Speciale Jr.? Take $100,000 trading oil. Guess what? There's a beginning. And that beginning is having the tools and following the methodology, the Hawkeye methodology. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm going to let you go. Enjoy your weekend. Plug your power. It's time. It's time for you to plug your power. We're looking at, look, 10 cents cheaper. You can go for it. The 50 call, December 3 expiration. And I'm looking at least potentially for you to double your money in the next 3 weeks. Thank you, Senpai. Thank you, everyone. And see you soon. Ciao, ciao.